Howdy folks, this is Scott in B0W. This will be a very short, unprofessional video of just a little item that I picked up off Amazon here. So I built a new antenna and I've got it set up here, and first time I've ever had this problem. I'm just out in front of my house right now, but here's my problem. I've got AM broadcast coming in on my radio. And that's not very cool at all. And it's all the way across 20 meter band anyway. I can change frequency and the interference doesn't change. So I picked up this little device, broadcast interference filter from Amazon. So let's plug it in, see if it works. Okay, there we have, the filter is in line now. Got it installed just in the antenna line. And let's turn the audio back up. Oh, very nice, look at that. The interference is gone. It seems to work. Very cool. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick, that it works, and this is the only time I've ever had this problem was this antenna. I'll show you this antenna in the future. It's kind of for another project, but someday I'll show you what this is. But for now, I just wanted to show you the interference filter working. So, okay, that's all I got for now. 7-3, this is Scott in B0W.